So what you're going to do is open the target list and then add the column at the end, name it as target list. Type target list as the column header. Um, and then I think you should move that on the right, on the left side, this because you have skipped one space. No, at the left side. It should be beside timestamp
Ah,
there. And then what you're going to do is at the name of the target list, you'll have to copy from LB up to the end. Do you see the name of the target list there at the current sales now, LB target list, and so on? You will have to go there and copy the words from LB up to the end, up to the name of the client. What happened? Yeah.
ah,
So after that, you will have to copy the name because the purpose is we will have to paste the target list name there wherein it should start from the word LB up to the name of the client. There, copy and paste. Not there at the uh, next cell up to the end. Um, it should be under the
okay.
target list. It should be
So,
the yeah there, and then copy and paste it up to the end so that we could be able to label that all of those who are that in who are there in on that list, they are from that certain target list. So you still have to copy and paste it up to the end. No, no, no. Downwards.
ah,
Up to up to up to a certain cell wherein there's still a prospect. Can you um can you click at the timestamp and then press Control Shift down? Also, click there and then control down. Press control down arrow so that you're going to the end. No, press arrow up. Then go to the cell beside that, and then Control Shift up, Control Shift arrow up, and then Control D. No, no, no. You should not include the target list cell. Uh, it should only be there. Then Control Shift D. I mean Control. You press Control D. Control D. No, no. Control D. There.
Control D.
So we're done. And then after that, you will have to download that into CSV file. Go to File, and then download, and then it should be on the CSV there. And then after downloading that, you will have to go to the Airtable, and then um, import, click choose file, and then choose the one that we have downloaded. Yeah, that one. Open. And then you have to make sure that the table is on prospects, and then you have since we're uploading it, we don't have to merge it. So what you're going to do is unclick the merge, and then create missing. Yeah, that's all. And then you have to make sure that the columns are mapped on the correct columns on the CSV file. So yeah, that's correct. First name, that's correct. Last name, that's correct. Can you please can you please open the company name if we have that one, and then choose what column is it if we have. Yeah, we have one. It should be mapped on the company name, and then continue. I think it's that one, and then continue mapping those field maps, the title, and so on and so forth. Whatever the column that we have. I think you map the incorrect one for that, because when we say it's the LinkedIn profile URL, it should be the link that is leading to the LinkedIn profile URL. And I think for that profile URL, that leads to the sales navigator, right? Do we have a column wherein the that one that should be the one? And then for that is premium, you will have just to there profile URL. For the profile URL, it should map on the things that you have, on the link that you have mapped for the, should also be mapped on the profile URL. I think it's on the upper part. There. Oh, it's below date accepted. And then let's check connect request sent and connect request accepted. If we have uh, those, we also have to map, include the emails. I mean emails. I think we don't have. Do we have the email for that? I think we don't have that one. No, it's on the upper part. Email is on the uh below. Connect request accepted. Do we have that one? Yeah, that should be the one. Date accepted. And then can you please change the CR sent at the close the CR sent at the upper part. Close that one. Click the green one, green button, and then open the one that have an asterisk, that one, and then um there you have to choose that one. Please remember that when we're mapping dates, we should choose those uh those names that have asterisk. Yeah, I think we only have that data for now. We have where's the open email? Can you please go to the um to the target list first, and let's check if what are the columns that have data. It's a little bit different for from the regular uploading because we already have send a connection request, and we already have check. Can you go to the first three columns wherein we can see the date connection request and then the date connection accepted and also the email. Do we have data on the email already? So yeah, for the email, we can see that on the lowest part, I think, of the Airtable. So please go to the Airtable again and then map the email at the bottom part. Yes, that one. And then that should be mapped on the email too. That one. I think we don't have other data to be mapped already. So that's it. After that, after mapping that, you will have just to save records. Then continue. When bulk uploading, what we're going to do instead of turning off the merge file, what we're going to do is turn that on, and then we'll just have to map the dates when the request the connection request was sent. You have to click dismiss for now. And then go to the prospects. There. So what you're going to do is you have to click the dupe and open bigger screen. And check for duplicates. No, at the dedupe, you're going so far. It's just below that one, below the CSV file. Click full screen. And then you have to choose prospects. No duplicates found. So you have to close that already because there's no duplicate found. There, and then what you're going to do is double check if the names of those the total number of records. I think we have 340. Can you confirm it with the target list if it's really 340? It should be 371, right? Yeah, I saw it because we already have uh yeah, we already have 30 in the connect. So and that's then the prospect we have 340, so that will be 370, right?
Right.
So that's it. When updating the if in case we have back upload for that, all we have to do is just repeat the process, and the only thing that you will be mapping is the name and the date connection request sent, or and all other columns that should be updated on the Airtable. So that's it. You can now continue working on that. And then do you already know how to use the Airtable copy and pasting on the live Excel and the updating of numbers?
Yeah.
Um, the advantage of the Airtable actually is you just have to go to the on deck and then check the number of the people who are in the on deck. It should be let me check that first. You just have to um should be unlock CR sent. CR sent is not empty. Should be this one. Yeah, what you're going to do is just get the number there who are on the end deck, and then put that on the live Excel on the on deck tab on the live Excel. Type the number 30, and then go to the leads list, and then copy those copy from the prospect name up to the end, and then just paste it on the target list. Then when it comes to when what we are going to do actually is, if there's a note or update from the from the client, what we're going to do is also download the CSV file and then upload it again here. The only thing that you're going to map is the name, full name, and then the leads, and then the note column. Okay, so that the things that were written by the client will be also updated here at the on the Airtable. Okay, still there?
Yes.
Okay, so I think we're already okay with this. You can now proceed working on this, and just if you encounter um if you have any question using this Airtable, all you have to do is just chat me. Okay. Uh-huh.